Hello, this is PTG ma'am, and this video is a continuation of the last video that you had seen. My last video was on an assignment which is on innovation, and I had already talked about it. So if you have missed out that video, please go and watch that first, then you will be understanding the significance of this video. Alright, so I had told you that I will be showing you some more examples so that if you have been given an assignment where you will have to make something to show that how different products have changed over the year and why is it that it's so important to innovate, and why is it that we keep on stressing on the word innovation when we talk about entrepreneurship or when we talk about entrepreneurs, right? This particular video will help you to understand that, because I will be showing you one of the files that my student had once made. You can always make it better, there's room for improvement, and I would expect you all not to copy that but just to keep it as a reference so that you can use it but add your creativity and innovation to it. Okay, just getting back to it, we are discussing cherry blossom. And we have also discussed just cherry blossom has actually gone through this entire process of innovation, starting from the tin can and then to the liquid shoe polish and then to the handy shine and all those stuff which has developed over the years. And we are trying to give more examples like this. Some examples yesterday only I had given you. Today I will be showing you one more file. So I'll show you the file. I need to switch this off so that I can show you the files now. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so this is the file that I will be showing you. I'll just pull it up a bit. Yeah, I hope you can see it. So this was a channel file, that is the assignment was done on a channel file. I've taken out the channel because it's easier for me to handle it this way. So this was a channel file in which my student had done. And then first I had asked them to talk a bit about cherry shoe polish. So this is about cherry shoe polish. Okay, a brief history about cherry shoe polish and how it has developed over the years. So different pictures you can use showing the different types or the changes that has happened in this. Next, my student had talked about Philips light. Okay, so this is the heading part. Here also you're describing certain things about Philips. You can discuss about the products. You can take a particular product, okay, because they have a variety of things. So you can just take a particular product and show how it has changed over the years. That way also you can do. Okay, one more thing. Sometimes students, you tell me that you're not getting colored papers, okay, or the printed file papers that you prefer using, you're not getting that. So what's the solution? Well, if you really want, then you can do it. Like this one, this page, okay, this is just a plain and simple white A4 size paper, okay, but see, she has turned it to this. It looks much better than a printed paper that you buy from the shop. Okay, this is so beautifully she has done. I'm not saying that it is compulsory for you to decorate the page like this. Okay, I'm not saying that. If this work would have been done on a white paper neatly with all the matter properly written, then also you would have got a same marks. Okay, but sometimes what I will tell you, that why I ask you to give a lot of importance to the presentation part apart from the matter. The matter is obviously most important, but the presentation also matters, because suppose you have been placed with a group of students, you're the 10th one, and before you there are 9 other students. Each one of them have presented it beautifully. It's very pleasing to the eye, and then your file is there. There is nothing wrong with your file, but the presentation is not up to the mark. So there is a chance that you will not get marks as good as the other students. So if you're okay with it, if you don't mind losing out your marks, then you're free to go ahead the way you want. But if you can take the suggestions and the advices that your teachers gives you, who have been with the board for so many years. They know the pattern. Again, I'm telling you, there is no extra marks for decorating the file, but marks can always be, deducted, or you can be given marks which is lower than the full marks because your presentation is not that good, okay, or because the matter is not 100% correct, or because you couldn't explain it properly. So there are various places where your marks can get deducted. So why give a chance? When you can do it, you have so much of time to make a file. You get plenty of time. If you are waiting for the last day, well, that's your problem. But you are actually given a lot of time to prepare your files. So take the time, utilize it, present it in a good manner so that the external cannot deduct any marks. All right, or whoever, not just the external, even the internal. This was just in class assignment, just a class assignment. So if this is the effort that the student has put for a class assignment, just imagine how much she must have got for your boards. And let me tell you that she had actually got very good marks in her boards, and her practical marks was 30 on 30. All right. Next, she had talked about Lakme Kajal. So it's not totally Lakme, it's just Lakme Kajal. Okay. And how it has changed. So again, you're writing something about it. Then she had also talked about camel colors. These are all handwritten things, okay? So camel colors. Here again, she has described